Yo, what's up guys? It's Mystic, and for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you could download and sideload your own apps. It's real quick and real simple, but before we start, please like the video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe if you are new, if you want to see more videos exactly like this. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so as you can see on your screen right now, I'm on a computer, I'm on a Mac. Now, it doesn't matter if you have Mac or Windows, because the good thing about this app, you can actually download it and it doesn't matter which operating system you are on. But as you can see, I already have it downloaded, so if you don't have it downloaded, go ahead and download it. And if you already have it downloaded, then you're good for the next step. But for me, I have to actually update this because I haven't had the app since this update. So if you already have the app and you might need an update, just go ahead and check just to make sure you have the latest version of this. But once you have it downloaded, it should actually pop up this icon up here, which as you can see, App Valley has one because they have a companion app which does almost the same exact thing as Alt Store. But for this video, we will need Alt Store. So as long as your plugins is all good and that you have the Mail app running, you're good to install it to your device. So you will need to type in your ID and your password just because it tests the servers, or it actually uses the Apple servers to sign your apps. So once you type that in, it will actually start installing onto your device. So just wait till you get the message saying that it's ready to be opened on your device, and then you're good to go for the next step. So let's go. Alright, so once you have it installed to your device, this is what it will look like, but you can't open it. So we're just going to go to Settings, General, Profile Device Management, and then we're just going to trust it, and then that is it. We should be able to actually open up our app. So let's open it, and this is exactly what it will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and enlarge it real quick because it's not exactly optimized for iPad, but it still works. So right here, these are the apps that's automatically installed, which is Delta, which is an emulator. But I'm going to show you guys how you could get more apps and sideload your own apps. So first thing, I will have this link in the description, but just go ahead and go to this link and it's going to take you to this website. And then, as you can see, they have a whole bunch of apps that you could use. But for this video, let's go ahead and try it with YouTube++. So as you can see right here, it tells you what the plus plus actually does and what makes it different than the original app. But you can go ahead and hit download IPA once you're finished reading that, and it should take you to this website, which all you have to do is hit I agree and then just hit your download. So right here, that's the download. So we're just going to hit download, and then it should load up. Right here, hit download again. And then once it's done doing that, you'll see on the top of your screen that it actually has the download progress right now. So we're going to do the same thing for another app. Let's go ahead and show another example. Right now, see, look, it has Facebook, Instagram. Let's try TikTok. So right here, it has TikTok Unicorn. I don't even know what that means, but right there, those are all the stuff that it come with. And we just go right here to the same thing, download IPA, going to take us to the same exact website. Just hit download, access again, hit download, and then this time we're just going to wait for both apps. So let's go ahead and just let both download. Alright, once it's done, you click on it, hit the share icon, and then actually scroll till you see copy to Alt Store. Now once you see that, click that, and then it should open up the Alt Store app, and then just give it a few seconds, and then it should actually download. Now for the first apps you download, you're going to have to type in your ID and password again because it's actually using this ID to sign these apps. So once you sign in, it's just going to tell you everything's good, and then that's it. So just give it a few seconds. And boom. So once it's done, you can actually open it. But let's go ahead and get our TikTok also. So I'm gonna go back to the same exact website, or back to the link where it says it's done downloading, hit the copy to Alt Store, and then like the first app, it's just going to take a few seconds. It's going to load, and then it should just pop up right here. So right here we have YouTube and TikTok. So it says 7 days because that's how long until they expire. But as long as you're connected to the server, you could just keep signing it and keep resetting at 7 days. And then just to show you an example that this actually works, right here we got YouTube++. So right here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click these three dots, hit settings, and let's right here we have YouTube plus settings. So that just it shows you proof that this is the YouTube plus and this actually is the hacked YouTube. And then this right here is the hacked TikTok, which is TikTok unicorn. But of course, I guess you gotta make an account for the hacked TikTok, so I'm not about to do that. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. So tell me what's up. I see you drinking now, so can I fill up your cup? You said it's way too much. Well, baby, enough is